Hi, I'm Brian with Hannon Law Limited, attorney for businesses and creatives. Today I'm back with looking at what happens once you get a registered trademark. So first, congratulations, your trademark is registered. All of the focus and so much of the discussion is on the application. How do we get the application right? How do we argue through an office action to get it to publication? How do we argue against uh, an intervening mark and say, no, we're not confusing, and all of those elements? What you're doing after you get that nice R in a circle, you get the certificate, is proving that the mark remains in use. In the 5th year, so between your 5th anniversary and 6th anniversary of getting your registered trademark, you have to file a statement of use. Here is a specimen that shows that I have continued to use my trademark. And we're going to do that in the 10th year and then every 10 years after that. So in essence, a trademark can last from now until the foreseeable future and beyond. That is amazing. It's a indefinite protection. That's just what you have to do with the USPTO. You have to file that registration. Perhaps you're filing any optional filings, such as incontrovertibility, which protects certain elements of your application from being challenged, such as who the owner is. But it's that ongoing, every once in a while, filing, saying, yes, we're still in business, yes, we're still using this, here's the proof. The other part of this is you have to take the steps with your trademark to maintain it. And I'm not just talking about filings, because those are periodic filings. They're relatively straightforward in their concept and execution, and we're fine. What we're talking about with maintenance is your actions. It is you continuing to use the trademark. It is using it in your website, on the products you're selling, somehow connected to your service, those elements. It is also you taking the steps to protect your trademark. And so that's things such as monitoring to see if someone else is trying to register a trademark similar. It's taking steps to monitor anybody using a similar trademark on the internet. It is making arguments that other individuals have abandoned their trademark. It is all of the steps that are hard. That's a rough one, right? You have to take the steps that are appropriate to your circumstance to make sure that you have told the world, this is me. If you see this logo, it leads to me. And preventing someone else from using a similar logo to point somewhere else, and to make sure that you've done all of the different licensing things that are appropriate, different steps, all of those pieces, as well as making sure you've got your filings in order. And this is going to be a element that you have to just do all of the time once you've got it registered. And if you have multiple trademarks, you're looking at multiple situations. So if I did both Hannon Law and my H in a circle, I would have to be keeping an eye out for examples of both out in the world. Maintenance is a dedication to your trademark and your trademark portfolio, but it also means your trademark can be from now until the end of time, in essence. With all of that, I'll talk to you next time.